If you're tired of cranking your trailer by hand and want a more efficient way to lift and lower heavy loads, switching to an electric trailer jack is a smart move. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 electric trailer jacks that offer outstanding power, durability, and convenience. Let's start with the Bulldog powered drive jack. Known for its solid build and consistent performance, this jack delivers up to 4,000 pounds of lifting power with 22 inches of travel, including an 8-inch drop leg. It's designed for A-frame trailers and is equipped with user-friendly features like an LED light for nighttime operation and a built-in level to ensure proper positioning. What makes this model stand out is its durability. Built with weather-resistant materials and backed by a 5-year limited warranty, the manual override crank is also a great fallback in case of power failure. For anyone seeking reliability and brand reputation, the Bulldog 5199 is a well-rounded choice. Next, we have the POLESTAR 5000 POLESTAR electric trailer jack, which is built for heavier duty needs. This jack features a powerful 12V motor capable of lifting up to 5,000 pounds, making it ideal for campers and utility trailers. Its design incorporates a ball screw mechanism that offers smoother operation and longer service life than typical jacks. The housing is waterproof, and the jack includes an LED work light, thermal protection, and a manual hand crank. This model is great for those who want a higher capacity unit without compromising ease of use or build quality. It also has excellent customer ratings for stability and quiet performance. Another top contender is the Kohree electric trailer jack, offering a strong lift capacity of 5,000 pounds with a travel range from 9.8 inches up to 31.7 inches. This jack is an excellent budget-friendly option without skimping on essential features. It includes an LED light, weather-resistant steel body, and manual crank backup. The Kohree jack has circuit protection to prevent overheating and power surges. Its simple plug-and-play design makes it accessible for beginners, and installation is quick for most A-frame trailer configurations. It's especially recommended for users who need reliable lifting for occasional use without the high price tag. If you need even more lifting power, the KYX heavy-duty electric trailer jack should be on your radar. With a massive capacity of 7,500 pounds, this jack is built for larger trailers like fifth wheels or boats. It features a high-grade carbon steel structure, rust-resistant finish, and a wide base for stability. The jack also includes waterproof switches, a built-in LED light, and a hardwired design for secure power delivery. The manual crank system ensures you're never stuck if the power supply is interrupted. KYX has developed a reputation for delivering professional-grade towing gear, and this jack exemplifies that quality. Finally, the UltraTow 5000 POLESTAR electric trailer jack rounds out our list with its easy plug-and-play 7-way blade connector system. It lifts up to 5,000 pounds and is ideal for A-frame trailers. The UltraTow jack stands out with its weather-sealed gears, fast operation, and built-in LED light. One of its most useful features is the overheat protection, which automatically shuts down the motor if it gets too hot. This prolongs the lifespan of the jack and adds a layer of safety during extended use. Its compact design and efficient power usage make it a favorite among RVers and frequent haulers.